Hey guys, welcome back to NAILMAS Day 2, Vlogmas Day 2. Hey Google, what day is it?
It's Friday, December 2nd, 2022.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is?
So I'll be going in with Gaon from Amazon. I buy from Amazon. It is interactive of colorful life. I don't know what I read it's the saying, but you get 6 colors, reflective colors. You get gold, green, purple, red, and pink. The only bummer about this is that they didn't get silver, which I really wanted. The other options weren't giving me red, hence why I chose this color here. The price is right, so go check it out. And you get 6 mandatory color, like 6 colors that you definitely can use, so go check it out. All right, go check them out. So if this is your very first time here on my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. It is NAILMAS, 12 days of NAILMAS. Very excited about it because I have enough things I want to share and incorporate into my videos. If you like my intro, definitely like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my socials, that's Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. So I'll be using the red out of this collection. What is Christmas without red? What is Christmas without red glitter reflective color? Nothing. It's nothing. So yeah, so I'm going to apply it to the tips and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. It cured through and through. I applied this very sloppily, ensuring that it was, the consistency and everything of it was great. Cured it and everything turned out perfect. So the color that I'm going in with the cuticle color, I said color too much time. So the cuticle color, the cuticle color is nude peach. I thought that this complemented the red very, very, very well. But the only difficulty that I had or I saw is that after applying the acrylic to the nail, it wasn't as glittery. It was dull. I've seen a few persons who did this application where they applied the reflective color to the tips and then did all the other works, cuticle color, encapsulation, and the pop, it was still popping. That's the only downfall with it. I am open to trying other reflective brands, but yeah, that's the only problem that I had with this color right here. So just adding the nude peach to it was taking away from the color, and I thought that after encapsulation it would have been fine. It wasn't fine. It wasn't. That was the only downfall about it, but everything else I liked about this color. Everything else I love about this color. Even though I haven't used all 6 just yet, all 5 just yet, I am very satisfied with my purchase. And as I said, the price is right. So go check it out. And if this is your very first time using reflective colors, highly recommend it. You won't be disappointed. So yeah. So after I encapsulate the nails, I'm going to file. So I'm not gonna talk right here, so because I'm not gonna say I file the cuticles, I shape up the nails. Yeah. So I'll come back.
Day of Christmas, my true love came to me. Four calling birds, 3 fair chance, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Day of Christmas, my true love came to me. 4 calling birds, 3 fair chance, 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
So these are the nails filed and washed. I was about to say shampoo, filed and shampooed. I'm still saying it, filed and washed. As I was telling you guys in previous clip, is that the color was not as potent as when I applied it. So I decided that I was going to go in with a beauty blender, a mini beauty blender, and I find it so convenient. So I use that beauty blender with some of the polish and just apply it to the tip of the nail. Cure that for 60 seconds. I I did it twice, but I didn't add it on camera. And then I cured that for 60 seconds again, and then I'll go in with some top coat, because while rubbing my finger on the surface of the nail, it was rough. So, and I was going in with an extra design, so I went in with some top coat to conceal the roughness of the nail, cure that, and then I went in with my design. So everybody know, if you don't know, you know that I have an obsession with abstract swirls. I think they're very classy nail designs to go through too, and I think that it was giving the nails a little bit more oomph to it. So I'll be using the color from Clara. At the end of the year, I think I'll be reviewing all the products that I got for this year. Hopefully I can gain Amazon storefront or create a storefront of my own to share with you guys, so you guys can go ahead and buy it, because this is honestly an honest review, because I'm not cut around the corner, I'm not beat around the bushes, right? So for majority of the design, I realized that I was angling my hands down, so you guys weren't seeing much of the design, but I already know by the thumbnail, and I'll insert a clip so you guys can go. I insert a picture on the screen so you guys know what I was doing. Like, it's such a bummer when you come to the end of a video and to know that when you're editing, to know that you weren't showing. It is so annoying. But yeah, I'll go ahead and cure, and then I intensify that red by adding another coat, cure that for 60 seconds. Then I'll go in with my top coat, apply a generous amount, ensure that everything was covered properly. I rub around the side of the nail, because once you apply top coat, it tends to take away the shape, or once you add designs or anything, it tends to take away the shape from the nail. Cure that for 60 seconds, file it up a little bit, oil the cuticles, and this is what we're working. Girl, wait until you see when the flash hit the nail. This ain't nothing yet. The nails are bomb right now, yeah, but it's a bomber right now. Look at that. Like, this seal the deal. This crystal the rest of the days to come for NAILMAS. All right, these things are bomb. These things are bomb. That I think I'm a little excited about it. But these are the nails for day 2 of NAILMAS. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Also follow me on all my socials. That's Instagram and TikTok. And I'll see you in day 3.
First day of Christmas, my true love came to me. 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. Christmas, my true love.